Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to install Cardano or ADA wallet on your Windows PC. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So for installing the Cardano wallet, there is two steps that you can use two Cardano wallet on your Windows PC. There is two Cardano wallet that in here I will show you how to download and install it. So right now I will open the browser. Here on the search bar I will type Cardano. Now you can see cardano.org or org. It is official website, so I will click on that. On the top bar here is you can see developers and the individuals. Here is you can see Daedalus wallet and Yoroi wallet. You can use or you can install any of them, but I will install the Daedalus wallet. Here I will click on the install button. So I will download the Daedalus wallet, or simply by navigating to daedaluswallet.io you can use or open this website for downloading the Cardano wallet. Here is you can see that this wallet is available for macOS 64-bit, Linux 64-bit, Windows 8.1 and 10 or 64-bit. Here I will install this on my Windows 11 PC. So right now I will click on the download Daedalus. The size of the Daedalus Cardano wallet is 280 MB. So the downloading process may take some time. Wait for it until it should be downloaded. So guys, once the Cardano wallet successfully downloaded, click on the open to launch the installation. Here in the first screen you can select the destination folder where you want to install the Cardano wallet. So I will leave it as a default, so click on the install button. Here wait for the installation until it should be successfully completed. Now click on the close button. Here you can see Daedalus mainnet wallet is successfully installed on Windows 11 PC. So double click to launch. Here you can see Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some feature on this app. So click on the allow and access. So here you can see that the Daedalus wallet is successfully launched. At the first wizard screen, select your language, number format, date format. Here is time format. I will click on the continue option. Here is scroll down and select I agree with terms of service and click continue. In here you can see that create a new wallet, pair a hardware wallet device, restore and import. So if you are new here, create a new wallet for yourself. Also you can pair this wallet to your hardware wallet and you can restore your wallet, or you can import your Cardano wallet here. So right now I will click on the create option. Here you can see a wallet name. I will type the wallet name. Here is the password. Now click on create Shelley wallet. Click on I confirm that nobody can see my screen, because anyone who knows my recovery phrase will be able to spend the idea in my new wallet. So check the box of this and click on continue. Here is your refresh or your password that you have to take a note of this, whether you are saving somewhere, but you have to note this. So in here I will open the notepad and type the password. Here you can see that I have written the 12, there is 24 words of the phrases, and in the next screen you will be asked to enter the 12 words. So in here I will type the words. Now you can see that the recovery phrase is successfully entered. So click on I understand and click on I understand that only way to recover my wallet and my computer lost, broken, stolen or stops working is to use my wallet recovery. Here check these two boxes and click on the confirm option. So in here you can see that the wallet is successfully created, and there is convert 1 ADA is equal to 1. Today the current rate of the Cardano ADA is $1.28 USD converted. Here is, you can see that whether you want to receive or send from here to any other exchange wallet, click on the send option simply, and if you want to receive, simply copy your wallet address from here, and there are transactions which you can check out the transaction history from here. So however guys, it's the way that you can install the Cardano Daedalus wallet on your Windows PC. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, don't forget to like the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification.